Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can create a party in Faceit and how you can start a game. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Faceit and click here on a create party next to the friends. And here, when you're gonna do it, you just want to simply click invite player, and then you will have you have no friends available at your party because everyone is offline right now. So I will go again here. Yeah, I think everyone is offline right now, so I can invite, but you would have your friends here. So that's pretty much it how you do it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya. And then what you can do is when you're gonna start a match, you just wanna simply click play here and create it as a party. And now you need to invite your friends, and then you can start it as your team. So thank you, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.